Good day, ma'am. In this activity, we are asked to connect components in the breadboard following the schematic diagram presented. The materials used in this activity are 2 capacitors, 2 NPN transistors, and 3 resistors, wires, jumper wires specifically, and breadboard. There are no specifications at the values of the components. So let's get started. In the circuit, 2 resistors are connected in series wherein one terminal R1 is connected in the VCC and one terminal R2 is connected to the ground. In addition, the negative terminal of capacitor 1 and the base of transistor 1 are connected in series. Furthermore, the collectors of transistors 1 and 2 are connected in VCC or the positive bus. Connected in series are the following: the emitter of transistor 1 and the base of transistor 2, as well as the collector of transistor 2, positive terminal of capacitor 2, and the resistor 3. Lastly, the terminal of resistor 3 and the negative terminal of capacitor 2, V out, are then connected to the ground.